Hello, welcome to Web System Network, and I'm so glad. By the way, my name is Lucky. Well, we're a company that offers different courses in different programming languages. So, if you wish to learn some language relatively to software development, you should leave a comment below, and you shouldn't forget to subscribe because we're going to be posting a lot of videos that are not only include C++ language but also include other additional language like VB.NET and HTML website development and all that. But today we're going to be dealing with C++. And then before that, what then is C++? Well, C++ is a language, a programming language that is used to design what softwares, a program perhaps. So what before that, what are the designing methods? What should we know before we start designing a program? What is that again? Okay, I think my window is just flopping out, but I'm gonna leave that right there. Okay, so designing a program, what are the steps that we should take before writing a program? Well, number one, before writing a program, we should a program perhaps must be carefully, oh no, all right, a program must be carefully designed before they are written. Now, you if you are if you are building a house, for example, the foundation, you must design the foundation so that when you start building the house, of course it may not crash some other days or when you in the middle of the process. So a program must be carefully designed before they are written or maybe before they are coded in a programming language. When programmers begin a new project, for example, they don't just jump in and start writing code as the first step. No, they create the design first. That is a good programming practice. Okay, I really don't know what is happening with my computer. I really don't know. Do you want to change the color scheme to improve performance? No. Keep this color scheme and don't show it. I think I'll take it that way. And so, going back to our discussion, our tutorial, when a programmer start programming, the first thing they do is to note down what is it that they need in order for them to start coding and all that. Now, during the design process, that is point number three, programmers use tools such as flowchart to create a models of programs. Now, just like I mentioned to you before, when you start before you build a house, you must lay a foundation, and maybe you can hire an architect to draw up a plan of how you want your house to look. Now that is the work of an architect. But when it comes to programming, your work as a software developer or as a programmer is to design this program. How do you want it to be? What are the steps that you need in order for this thing? When you start coding, it becomes very simpler because now you have already done what? You have already designed the software using a flowchart. By the way, a flowchart is a tool that normally helps programmers to visualize what their programming, what their program is going to do before they start coding the exact program. Well, and then let's jump into the next one. When designing a program, what should we do? Understand that the program, understand the task, by the way, yeah, understand the task that the program is to perform. Now, understanding what a program will do is the first step to being a professional programmer. I did put a color on this one so that you know exactly, you get a point. Programmers, they don't just start coding, just like we mentioned before. But what they do the designing. They understand, they sit down and analyze, understand what their program is going to do, the task that their program is going to perform. Now, to get an understanding of what a program is supposed to do, the programmer interacts and interview the customer, such as what input do you want to receive from people that will be using your program. Now, let's say, for example, you are designing a payroll system or a payroll program. What input do you want to receive? If a customer will refer to those to them as those that want us to build program for them. Let for example, you come to me in as you like, okay, Lucky, I want you to design a payroll program that will accept an input, hourly input, and then the weeks, how many weeks that the person work, and then display the amount that the accumulated amount or the gross pay for the person, so that the person will know how amount the amount he's receiving for the amount of work that he has done. That is designing. You analyze, okay, what input do I need? Okay, it means that this program will have to receive an input from the user, receive another input which is called how many hours did you work, and then calculate, do some process on that, and then display the amount that this person is supposed to receive for the work that he has done. Now that is it. That is the understanding what the program is to perform, what the program is supposed to do. Now determine the step. The next point is that you, before becoming a professional programmer, you must determine the step that must be taken to perform the task. Once you understand what the program is supposed to do, the next thing is to break down the task into a series of steps for you to understand easily. Now suppose your little sister, for example, I got a little sister and she's very cute anyway. Suppose your little sister is asking you to teach her how to boil water. Let's use that as an example, and that is the idea that I can think of at the moment. You might break that step into series, like let's say number one. Okay, well, sister, pour the desired amount of water into a pot. Fine. Put the pot on a stove burner, turn the burner to high, and then watch the burner until you see a large bubble rapidly rising. And when this happens, it means the water is boiling. You have done it. You have explained it perfectly to her, and she will, if she follow this perfectly, she's gonna have a boiling water. She will be having a boiling water. Now when you design a program, design it so well, break into smaller chunk, smaller series, that you'll be able to like follow. Not just don't just jump in and start coding. You may find yourself stressed out and worn out. As you might find yourself with errors in your code, and at the end of the day, your customer may not like it, and I don't think that is what you want. You want to earn money. You want to have customer coming to you because you're a good coder, you're a good designer, you know. So well, that is it for today. I hope you like it, and if there is a comment below, please, if there is a comment you have, please leave it below, or if there's a question, leave it below, because I'm going to be responding to that very soon. And by the way, please don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me a lot. And for suggestion, you can also leave a comment below. And then thank you for watching. And by the way, don't forget to register to our course if you are interested in different languages. We do offer that, and we're going to teach you well, this depending on the course which you need, which you want. We do have professional programmers and professional teachers who can assist you. Thank you.